Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cookfully Bushcraft channel. Okay, so a quick review of the British Army 120 litre bergen. So it's 90 litres, but with the detachable rocket pouches here, it's 120, so you can fit a lot of stuff in here. And yeah, the main body of the pack, I got this on eBay for £13, so that's around about 16 euros, about 17 US dollars, something along those lines. So yeah, it was in need of a bit of repair. It said so in the ad on eBay, and I was really expecting to do a lot more work on it. I got quite lucky. It's just the stitching was coming apart. To be honest, I'd used it quite a lot before I'd even noticed. Right, so we've got a pocket at the front there. Lots of webbing here that you can attach all kinds of stuff to. And you've got in the back here, you've got a little aluminium frame. So I'll just close that properly. Right. So I'll generally use this for when I come to places like this. This is Beehive Bushcraft, which is somewhere where you can camp for the night, make a fire, you know, have a play with bow drills and stuff like that. And yeah, there's a small charge for using the woods. And yeah, seeing as the car's over there, I can carry more stuff. So you can carry a lot of stuff in this. It's not necessarily very comfortable. Yeah, I've got more comfortable rucksacks that I'll use for longer distance hikes. This is the short backs version. So when you're wearing your yoke, as if you're in the army with your belt and all the pouches on, this, because it rides high on your back, gives room for your pouches. So yeah, really for my needs, the long back version would be better. But I do generally, I'm sorry about all the smoke, guys. I do generally carry a knife on my belt, and yeah, I don't like anything that hangs too low. Yeah, I've attached a little chest strap there with a little whistle on. But yeah, the really cool thing about this, it's also really good for travelling around with, where you've got somewhere to leave the main body of your pack, because the rocket pouches are removable. There's a zip on either side, and yeah, it just clips off like that. Just bear with me a moment and I'll show you how to make a little day sack out of the rocket pouches. Okay, so I'm going to zip these together like that. You can also do this with just one pouch. Yeah, so where it was attached to the bergen with the clips here at the top, clip that in there, that in there. Oops, wrong side. And then at the bottom here, same again, that clips onto there, that clips onto there, and Whoa, that's not right, that's the belt. That's the belt, that clips onto there. And I'm quite sure if you got one of these you'd be able to work it out for yourself how this works. It's quite simple and straightforward. But yeah. And of course, fasten here too. So you've got room behind the pockets to put an axe or whatever else. And this particular one dates from the late 80s, early 90s. And that's Jenny dying in the background. You alright, mate? Jenny's first bow drill fire. Get that char cloth in a bit deeper. So that was the interruption. Yeah, just open it up a bit. Open it up a little bit. Get some of that inside. Yeah. Just open it up. Let that drop down a little bit. Don't squeeze it too tight. So let's get this here. Go on. Oi, there you go, lad. Okay, so you want to turn it over.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, not that we haven't already got a fire, but yeah, look at that go.
Can you make fire?
So, I can't remember where I was up to. I had all the bird's nest material in there, so added a bit of char cloth and a bit of chagger to his ember to make it last a bit longer while I ferreted around. Yeah, a bit disorganised at the moment. Yeah, so this is late 80s, early 90s, and then this was replaced by the DPM model and now the MTP model. So this is quite an old bag, but it's holding up pretty well. Okay, so here we have the bergen without the side pockets. The orange paracord was obviously my addition. But yeah, so you can tighten it up here and you can make the whole thing smaller. In fact, you can also zip it together so you can make quite a small compact little rucksack out of an enormous one. And it's also got a belt. Not very well padded, but yeah, it does the job. Pocket on the top, another one on the inside, more attachment points, yeah, so you can attach a roll mat or blanket, whatever you want to attach up there. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I think it's really quite a handy bit of kit, and you can pick them up really cheap as if you look around. So anyway, everybody, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you all again soon for another Kookley Bushcraft video. Bye for now.